Now to an I-Team investigation. COVID outbreaks at nursing homes despite widespread vaccinations at the long-term facilities.
And tonight, families are worried. Chief Investigator Cheryl Fiandaca spoke with one woman who doesn't want to reveal her identity out of fear for retaliation against her mother.
Just boom. 58 out of 81 residents by the end of January had COVID, and 6 had died. What? That's a lot.
And that's with the vaccine.
And that's with the vaccine.
Nearly 90% of residents at Gardner Rehabilitation and Nursing Center got their first Pfizer shot in December and the second 3 weeks later. But that didn't stop a COVID-19 outbreak.
But just because you got your COVID vaccine is not a guarantee that you're going to be completely protected.
That may be especially true for elderly residents in long-term care facilities.
My parent is 92 years old. We were relieved knowing that she'd gotten the first vaccine. We were relieved knowing that she still tested negative and got the second vaccine. And to find out that then she did have COVID, we were petrified.
Studies found Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are 95% effective, and doctors say it takes about 5 to 6 weeks after being fully vaccinated to have maximum protection.
It's not terribly surprising that we'll still see some infections occurring with the vaccination. 95% is not 100%. One of the big unanswered questions about the vaccines so far, do they prevent infection or just prevent symptomatic and serious disease?
State data shows despite widespread vaccinations, facilities are still reporting new positive cases every day.
Somebody was letting their guard down.
Mount Carmel Care Center in Lenox says it had no cases of COVID during the pandemic, but just last month, as vaccinations began, 2 staff members and 7 residents tested positive.
People need to continue to remember that these vaccines are highly effective, they are safe, and that everybody should get vaccinated when they can. But a vaccine is not an automatic pass to go back to a life as we knew it. Wear your mask, continue to be socially distant, and avoid indoor gatherings.
State has notified both homes to stop accepting new residents, and all in-person visits have been halted. Mount Carmel tells us it is taking all the necessary steps to protect the positive COVID residents as well as to stop the spread. As for Gardner Rehab, they did not respond to our request for comment. Cheryl Fiandaca, WBZ News.